Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about continue statement in C language. So this continue, it is one of the keyword in C language. So in C language, totally we have 32 keywords. Okay. So out of those 32 keywords, this continue is one of the keyword which is a reserved word. Okay. So whenever this continue statement is used in your program, so what happens? This continue will just skips the current iteration, okay, and it will continue with the next iteration. That is the purpose of this continue keyword. Okay, the syntax for continue is just give the keyword continue followed by semicolon. Okay, this is the syntax for continue statement. So always this continue statement, it is almost used within if else statement, and also it is used inside the loops. Okay. So what happens when this continue statement is encountered inside a loop? Okay. So what happens means the control jumps to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration. It just skips the execution of the statements which are written inside the loop for the current iteration, and also the control goes to the beginning of the loop and it will continue with the next iteration. Okay, that is the purpose of this continue statement. Okay, once again I am repeating, whenever continue is encountered inside the loop, the control goes to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration, just skipping the execution of the body of the loop statements for the current iteration only. That is the purpose of this continue keyword. Okay, so for better understanding, let me explain with an example program. Okay, so that you will get a better clarity. So see here, this is an example program using continue keyword. So here I have included the header files stdio and conio.h. So coming to the main function, I have declared two variables i and num of integer data type. So enter some number. So the user can read some number through scanf function from the keyboard. Okay. So here within the loop, here I have taken like this, I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to num I plus plus. So if I equal to 5, so see here, if whenever this I value, okay, equals to 5, it has to continue. Continue means for that current iteration, it will just skip the execution of this statement. Okay, it will just skip the execution of this. Whenever it reaches this condition I equal to 5, it just skips the current iteration, and what happens, the cursor goes to the loop again, okay, to the beginning of the loop, and it will continue for the next iteration. That is the purpose of this continue. Okay, so next I am going to print the values of I. So see here, let me compile this code. So no errors. Let me run the code. So if I give the value as number 10, so how my output should be? It just has to skip the 5. Okay, it should not print the value of 5. Other than 5, it has to print all the remaining numbers, right? See here, if you press enter, the output is C 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10. Just if I equal to 5, continue. That is the condition I have given in the program. So if I equal to 5, if I reaches the value of 5, it has to skip that execution and it has to go to the next iteration. The control has to go to the next iteration. Okay, the control goes to the beginning of the loop for the next iteration. So it has to print the remaining numbers. Except if it has to print the remaining numbers. So except if in the output screen I have got the remaining numbers. Okay, so see here, suppose for example if I give the number as 7. Okay, so for I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 7, I plus plus. Okay, if I equal to 5, I is not equal to 5, right? So it will just print the value of I. Okay, so whenever this condition is true, then only this the cursor comes to this body of the loop, body of the if statement, right? So if I equals to 5, then only it will come to here continue. So what happens, instead of executing this statement, the cursor will go to the again to the for loop. Okay, for the remaining values of I, it will just skip this statement and it will execute the printf statement, right? So like this the continue statement works. Whenever this condition is reached, whenever the I value is equal to 5, then only this statement will execute. Okay, because if this condition is true only, it has to, the cursor will execute these statements, otherwise it will just skip this and it will go to this printf statement and it will print the value of 5, right? So when this statement is true, here I have written the written continue, right? So what happens, instead of executing this statement, so the cursor goes to again to the for loop, okay, and it will work with these statements. So like this the continue statement will work in your program. Okay, so that's about the continue statement in C language. Thank you.